Every journey has its defining moments. Moments when people gather, connect, and focus on what comes next. Today is one of those moments. One purpose brings everyone together, a shared ambition, direction, and future. This is where vision turns into clarity, where goals become commitments, and from here, the year begins. "2026 marks more than a new year. It marks a new level. A year we raise standards, to think bigger, to operate with global confidence, starting now." Because being ready for global is about moving forward together. One team, one direction, one future. Global Pharma, 2026, ready for global.